Hi friends, I'm Sherry and thank you for joining me for Sherry's DIY Secrets. Now that summertime is rolling in and it's getting hot outside, well, not getting hot here in Vegas, but getting hot elsewhere, I'm going to try my hand at some lighting for the outdoor patio area. So without further ado, let's get started. I'm adding approximately a fourth of a cup of Mod Podge to each of the mason jars. And then to each of those mason jars, I'm adding approximately 10 to 12 drops of the food coloring. You can choose how much food coloring you want to add. But you'll want to be sure to stir that solution well to fully incorporate that Mod Podge with the food coloring. Because I have so much of the Mod Podge and food coloring solution from each of the jars still available, I'm going to use it to add to a glass that I'm going to use as a candle holder. So waste not, or that's want not, waste not. Or is it waste not, want not? Oh well, you see what I mean. So as you can imagine, I need to clean up around here. And when I get back, I will show you the next step. So stick around. Don't forget to subscribe because there's more to come. Here's the final step before baking. Remove any of the Mod Podge and food coloring that may be around the edge of the jar and put it right side up in a pan, or in my case, I'm using a Pyrex dish, and it's going into the oven to bake at 225 degrees for approximately 45 to 55 minutes. So here we have the green and the yellow. It's a little orange, but the green and the yellow stain. And my favorite of them all is actually the candle holder. I absolutely love that. It's beautiful. I can't wait to get a candle in there. So I'm now going to add some embellishments and I'll show you what comes next. I'm removing the base of the solar light, and then I'm going to take that top portion and insert it into the lid of the mason jar, and I'll do that for both of the jars. Then I'll simply screw them on. See you soon.